Okay, more power. Let's do it together. Okay, and reduce power. Slowly getting into level flight over the runway. Look at the end of the runway. Yes.
The other day, my family was outside the house, like tracking me in the application, and they got the video when we passed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where's your
Okay,
house
Tropic
again?
he's doing slow flight or something?
That one?
Yeah.
No, not really.
They're slow though.
Yeah. As you can see, the wind's 17 knots headwind, right? We're flying at 91 knots, but the ground speed is 80 knots, so it's a super strong headwind now.
The power went down too, right?
Uh-huh.
286, holding short 10 left on Papa, ready for westbound, like for left short away.
Blue Phoenix 286, center for tower, short delay approved, make left down, departure 10 left, with takeoff, wind 11016, scout 22.
Short delay approved, clear for takeoff 10 left, take left down to wind departure. Blue Phoenix 286.
I see the runway.
Yep, I see the runway.
We're still 8 miles out.
So we're gonna maintain 1500 feet for now.
It's probably inbound for 10 right?
For them? Yes.
There's 6 or 5 star running 10 right, flip the option, wind 11017, gust 22.
10 right, clear for the option, 6 or 5.
Okay, we see how the traffic, so traffic no factor. So at this point, we're using the horizon and the nose as a references. But as we're getting closer to the runway, we're gonna be using the runway number as aiming point. Okay, so we're gonna try to look for the gap between the aiming point and the nose of the airplane.
10 is clear to land, report success.
We're kind of catching them up.
November 507 Kilo Charlie, runway 10 left, for the land, wind 120 at 17, gust 22.
Running 10 left, clear to land. Running 10 left, clear to land.
10 left, clear to land, 7 Kilo Charlie. No, you said about the wind and stuff. I'm like, oh, do I have to repeat all that?
No, you just need to repeat the running assignment and the landing clearance. That's it.
Alpha for close traffic.
They're just giving you the wind's information
118, pop the Alpha, roger, hold
just-
for runway 10 right.
as a
Holding short runway 1.
caution because the wind is getting stronger.
Yep.
That airplane's super slow.
Bravo, downward,
That's what I'm
hold short 10 right, full direction flight.
November 734 Bravo Hotel, holding short 10 right on the south side, west.
Yeah, they are flying at 61 knots ground speed, so probably they're flying at 80 knots indicated airspeed. Yeah, probably they are like Cessna 152.
It's a 150, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're almost at 5 miles. So do we start descending or?
Yes, we can start the descent. First of all, we're gonna set the altitude to 1000.
Got it.
And reduce the power to 37.
Maintain.
And for now, we can lower the nose first. We don't have to use the flaps yet.
Got
We're
it.
just descending. We're maintaining good forward airspeed. About 90 knots or 85 to 90. Don't have the traffic on my right wing, traffic no factor. And we have the runway in sight.
On the inside.
Tower 188, Papa Golf, make right traffic, runway 10 right, clip takeoff, short flight approved, wind 11016, gust 22.
Short delay approved, 10 right traffic, clear for takeoff, November 188 Papa Golf.
We'll keep descending down to 1000 feet.
North 3 Tower for 734 Bravo Hotel, is there any chance we can get a short delay for our takeoff?
There's 74 Bravo, North 3, roger, start the short delay.
Okay, so from 4 nautical mile, we're gonna descend down to 800 feet.
I think we're coming in too high again.
Nope.
We're good?
You were good.
I got nightmares with that.
We are perfect.
286, continue westbound for exchange for positive flight.
We are perfect right now.
Steady westbound.
Once you get to 800 feet, we're gonna level off.
6103, hurry up.
Power for cruise 45. And maintain 800 feet. Gauge for airspeed, power for altitude. For now, just keep the power for 45. Maintain the altitude.
Number
Yes.
74 Bravo, don't make a right down, approach runway 10 right, let's take off. Test me up in the
Alright,
main
we're 3 miles out.
approved.
Yep,
Going?
let's keep going. We're gonna start the descent at 2 miles.
Wind 11017.
Got it.
Let's go. Looking good, and it's holding the altitude on climb.
Reduce power as needed, right?
Yep, power as needed.
Got it. 2 miles, 2.5.
2.5. So let's get configured. So reduce power to 37 and hold the altitude. Wait for below 82.
Number 610,
left.
bring north 8 Saturday direction flight.
Flat, right?
Okay, perfect. And hands back on the throttle. Perfect. And you're gonna try to fly at 75 knots with the flaps high. Good. Descending at 75.
Number 67573, Cessna up on his westbound, make right to traffic for anyone's direct, let's take off. A short delay
I feel
approved.
like we're way too.
Alright, can you see the runway number?
Yeah.
And also, do you see one white and one red on the left side?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to pick that. So we are perfectly on the glide path. So from this point, we're gonna be maintaining this gap to the runway number. If the gap is decreasing, that means we're getting super low.
Following traffic, ahead
Full
of your
flap now?
right, 2 mile final.
Now we can go full flex.
800 feet, runway 10 right.
Still maintaining the same gap between runway number and the nose. And you can trim it out, the same pitch attitude.
Juliet, Holly Lake, inbound, full stop.
And we're gonna try to slow down to 65 with the power. So don't pitch up, because we need to still descend through the runway. So we need to reduce the power.
With the Alpha.
And lower the pitch and hold it right there. And power as needed.
Got it.
Perfect. Just keep holding this pitch attitude. Perfect.
Airport 1 mile from the field, remain at
Okay, it's pretty windy, so we're gonna do it together.
Yeah.
Let's move the airplane a little bit to the right.
Southbury Tower 108, Mike.
Okay, so we are trying to put your body to the center line.
Airspace westbound.
Okay, let's hold the pitch, reduce half its power. More power, because we need to slow down to 65.
East to west.
Good.
There you go.
Try to maintain 65 while descending to the runway number. Perfect. Just like you did over the practice area, you're doing the slow flight while descending, okay?
Okay.
Looking good. Okay, so we're getting a little bit low, so apply half inch power. Perfect, and keep point the nose to the runway number. Hold it gently, be gentle. Good. Add half inch power more. More power. Okay, more power. Let's do it together. Okay, and reduce power. Slowly getting into level flight over the runway. Look at the end of the runway. Power to the idle. And pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, pull. To hold it off, pull back. Nose to the tree, pull back, and hold it. And tap on the brakes gently.
Bonanza 1574 series, is your
Get on
left,
here?
correct?
Yes, we're gonna make a left on Papa 2.
Garage.
Okay.
Bonanza 740, make left down first, runway 10 left, let's take off in 120 at 14 Gust 22.
Perfect, and we're gonna make a full stop after crossing the line. Alright, 2,500. And first of all, we're gonna change the frequency to the ground. 120.